Hello YTPC, Nothing's Piper UK here. Got my Mr. Brogue number 62 hammer with some Peterson's Connemara Black. Well, that's another Christmas over with. Nice to see some of the lovely pipes and tobaccos people have been getting. Really sweet, this tobacco. Nice. So what's everyone's plans for the new year? Well, I think for me, it's going to be interesting to find out what I can get done to see about getting started back up in business, or what um, what training I can get to try and get us back into office work. Um, I'm hoping, obviously, with this problem that I might get a bit of a helping hand. Who knows? Got a few tobaccos there at Christmas. That's getting put in the cellar. So I want to try and concentrate on that. Get lots of these open tins and my own blends. Try and get them smoked and finished off. Got some ideas for some more blends and a couple of other things I'm thinking about doing. Looking into them anyway, so wait and see. I mean, look to see if I can get another pipe like this, but I can find the model, but it's only the round version, whereas this is more like a sort of square sides and rusticated. So there's a couple there I've seen. There's a red one and a green one. That's got the rustication, but not in blue and not in this shape. So I think I've probably hit lucky on this one. Feel a bit naked today. I wasn't going to shave it, but I went for it. I always regret shaving it when I do it, but it was starting to get on my nerves a little bit. So yeah, I think 2019 is going to be an interesting year. Certainly can't get no worse than this one. At least I hope not. I'll probably be starting the one pipe, one tobacco week at the start of the new year. So, because I did enjoy the Advent, but in the same breath, I did enjoy that 1 week, one tobacco challenge as well, and I've missed doing the one. So, I think I'll probably start the year with doing one of those. If you can hear that, it's EastEnders, by the way, it's not my wife arguing. That is a nice tobacco. Well, I will leave it there. I'll sit back and enjoy this. Catch a film when the soaps are over. Well, here's an interesting thing. Before I do go, we've been watching Downton Abbey, and we've watched the whole series now. And in the whole series, I think I only saw two people smoking a pipe. So there we go. I would have thought there'd have been a lot more. Well, might have missed a couple, but the ones I took note of, I only saw two. So there you go. Right. I hope wherever you are, you're safe, you're well, and you're happy. You're enjoying the ball. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. And I'll see you all on the next one. Bye for now.